Good morning, morning glory. Okay, this is where it starts. They're coming out now. Look at the purple. Oh, wow. Okay, check this out. Hey, them colors. There's one arm coming out. That's the morning glory monster. Wow. And we got some purples, lavender, and all them in here. And look at that. And it goes into the sunflowers, back in through there. Yeah! Wow. And poor thing, look at that. Got my sunflower. It's all wrapped around them. Uh-huh. They're supporting each other. Yeah, birds. What do you think, Bo? Bo likes morning glory, but yeah. Had to show this. I know I'm probably going to hear about it, but I had to show it. Yeehaw. Have a good day, everybody.